Right, so let's get into it. Let's first talk about pricing, right? Because obviously it's the first thing you're going to be interested in. It's the first thing that people really care about. Uh, and it's pretty easy to understand the pricing with these guys. There's two different types, depending if you need a US or a EU data center. People who operate out of the EU, you're under GDPR rights. You are compliant. You want to make sure you're saving people's data correctly. So it's a little bit more expensive because if somebody wants to delete their information, then they've got to allow you to be able to do it. So all plans come with free license, unlimited staff, free outgoing email service. So they're going to handle all the emails for you. So that's the hardest part when you self-host is setting up an email service to deliver all your forum messages. And obviously there's quite a lot, right? So unlimited um, emails is a good thing. Free and automatically provided SSL. So you want it to be secure. You want this little HTTPS up here. Look, connection is secure. People are putting their information and their passwords in. It's going to be secure. Free ability to host your own host name. So you're going to, forum at your domain.com, or just if you want the whole thing to be your domain, you can do. Um, Email support with these guys. Encrypted daily backups, which is great as well. If you're using something else like DigitalOcean or something like that, they only do weekly backups. So obviously you can lose a lot of data, a lot of information if it's only doing it weekly. You're going to save a couple of months if you pay annually. Like we said, he hosts both areas. All prices are inclusive of VAT, exclusive of VAT. So there's going to be VAT on top. But if you have a proper VAT ID, it's one of those things where it gets wiped out. So what you're talking here is the basic plan: 10 gigabyte storage, 250k in page view, the basic plugins, which I'll show you, and no extra plugins. So they've got 10 basic plugins that are popular plugins across Discourse, and then they've got a list of 10 extra plugins that you're not going to be able to add. But I'll show you that. You're probably going to be all right with the basic ones. Shared IP address, so obviously you're being hosted on a server that's got other Discourse platforms on there, which, when you're starting out, it's not going to be a problem either. Uptime, 99.9% uptime, free Akismet. Akismet? How do you say that? I don't think I've ever said that out loud before. Akismet. So that's basically going to stop spammers jumping in and commenting. They're going to be able to lock them down and make sure that they're not, you're not getting basically spam comments all over your blog, your Discourse forum. The stable version, so it's going to work off the last stable version. When the next stable version comes out, they will update the platform for you, so you don't have to worry about it. And then the Let's Encrypt SSL, so that's the secure thing. So HTTPS, right? All for $20 a month or $29 a month. They are handling the back end for you. All you'll need to do is do the front end work of getting people to talk on your blog, right? On your forum, I keep saying blog. So obviously double everything up, twice as much storage. It's going to take you a while to get through 10 gigabytes of storage. More views. You get 5 extra plugins. You get you're still on the shared IP address, and then all the other stuff is the same. So you're basically getting twice the storage, twice the plays views, and you're getting some extra plugins that you choose 5 of 10. And then a big pricing, 40 gigabytes, a million page views a month, basic plus the other 10 plugins. You can request bespoke plugins. You can say, I want this one add-in. Dedicated IP address, so your Discourse will be on its own forum. And again, you can choose a newer version if you want. I think that's what that means. But that's going to be double the price again. I think you're probably going to be talking about $20 a month version for you if you're just starting out.